Get excited about the 2021 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.